Students, let's start our next chapter, that is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry deals with the surface phenomena. Here, the phenomena occurs at the surface of interfaces. These interfaces, how? If two materials are present, let's suppose this is a solid and these are the gaseous molecules which are in its surrounding, and these molecules, if adsorb at the surface, only at the surface, not in the bulk, only at the surface, then this phenomena is known as adsorption. Means the accumulation of molecular species at the surface rather than in the bulk of solid or liquid is termed adsorption. Adsorption. What is absorption? Absorption means it will come in bulk, and this is adsorption. Here in adsorption, two things are there. Let's suppose this is a substance on which other substance get adsorbed. This is the substance that get adsorbed, and this is the substance on which it is absorbed. And the material which accumulate on the surface is called adsorbate. Adsorbate. And the material on which, जिसके ऊपर वो मटेरियल स्टोर हुआ, that is called adsorbent. Means during adsorption, two phases are there. One is adsorbate and another is adsorbent. Next, what is desorption? If the adsorbed material goes back from the surface, remove हो जाए, that is called desorption. The next topic is the difference between adsorption and absorption. We have already studied this word absorption. If one substance get mixed, this is one substance and one more substance that will mix thoroughly, that is absorption. And if the other substance remain only on surface, that is called adsorption. In adsorption, substance remain only at the surface, not penetrate throughout. But in absorption, it will get uniformly distributed in the material or the solid, it may be. If we will take an example, then water vapors, if adsorb on silica gel, they will come on the silica gel, then they get adsorbed. It means remains only on the surface. And on anhydrous calcium chloride, they get absorbed. Absorption में एब्जॉर्बेट केवल सरफेस पर रहेगा, वाइल एब्जॉर्प्शन में जो मटेरियल है दैट रिमेन्स थ्रू आउट द सॉलिड. In some processes, both can take place, adsorption as well as absorption. This is called sorption. The process in which adsorption and absorption both take place is called sorption. What is the difference? In adsorption, only surface contain the adsorbed material. In absorption, the material goes throughout the solid. Let's discuss the mechanism of adsorption. If this is a material on which, it means it is absorbent, and this is absorbate, then the molecules which are present in the absorbent have रेसिड्यूअल फोर्स ज़ीरो, यानी इसके अंदर जो फोर्स है दे आर बैलेंस्ड फोर्स एंड दे रिमेन्स ज़ीरो. बट एट द सरफेस मॉलिक्यूल, जो सरफेस मॉलिक्यूल होंगे उनकी रेसिड्यूअल फोर्स ज़ीरो नहीं होगी. ओके, they will attracted by the inner molecule, but they possess residual attractive force. Which molecule? The surface molecule of absorbent. These molecules have residual attractive force and they will attract what? Absorbate. These are the absorbate molecules. Absorbate molecules इसकी तरफ attract होंगे and get adsorbed. इसके ऊपर absorb हो जाएंगे. Okay, here if we will see, then the molecule get stable here, means entropy decreases. एंट्रोपी कम हो जाएगी क्योंकि स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी. एंड द अट्रैक्शन इज बाय एब्जॉर्बेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर भी एनर्जी कम होगी. दैट मीन्स एब्सॉर्प्शन इज ऑलवेज एन एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस. वाई? बिकॉज द एनर्जी एट द surface always decreases. Why decreases? Because the surface energy comes in the form of heat to attract the other molecules. If we see this reaction, delta G give free energy reaction. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Here delta H always negative because this is a exothermic process. डेल्टा एस ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव बिकॉज एंट्रोपी जो रैंडमनेस है वो हमेशा कम हो जाएगी. एंड अ स्टेट विल बी देयर व्हेन डेल्टा जी बिकम्स जीरो. एट दिस स्टेट द इक्विलिब्रियम विल establish. When delta G is equal to 0 means equilibrium has established. Let's discuss type of adsorption. The first is physical or physicoadsorption. Physisorption or physical adsorption means the only weak van der Waals forces are present. This is a solid. These are the gas molecules. They will attract here and adsorb. Then weak van der Waals forces are present. This is called physical adsorption. And if chemical bonds, here the chemical bonds are formed which may be covalent or ionic, then this is called chemisorption or chemical adsorption. There are two types of adsorptions. In physical adsorption, weak van der Waals forces are present. Van der Waals forces are present, while in chemical bonds are present. Where? Between adsorbate and adsorbate and adsorbent. Weak van der Waals forces means physical. Chemical bond means chemical adsorption. The next is characteristics of physiization. Physical isolation have lack of specificity. Here, forces are universal, which are wonderful. Nature of absorbate depends on nature of absorbate. Which type of gases here? On absorbent. This is reversible. Depends of surface area. More surface area is there, more the adsorption. Enthalpy of adsorption is low. It is always an exothermic process, but it is low. If we discuss characteristics of chemisorption, highly specific. What is the chemical nature of absorbent and absorbate? Because this relate the possibility of chemical bonding between absorbent and absorbate. They are irreversible. It is also an exothermic process, but here activation energy is required. If we increase the temperature increase करने पर physical adsorption always decreases. Why? Because on increasing temperature, the weak van der Waals forces get more lost, decreases, and this decrease the adsorption. While in case of chemisorption, high temperature will increase the process of chemisorption. It means on increasing temperature, chemisorption increases.